BIS. Today I have with me Aloysius Daniel, who is the Head of Products and Applications, Zeiss. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you so much.
So what are the products that you are showcasing here at the event?
So we are fundamentally technology solution providers for the manufacturing of semiconductor as well as the quality inspections of semiconductor. So starting with advanced non-destructive testing solutions for testing and packaging, assembly and packaging, and all the way down to failure analysis, defect inspection. So starting with the selection of materials to the final end components, we have multiple technologies and solutions which can help the manufacturers.
Okay, and what are the other industries that you cater to other than semiconductor industry?
Oh wow, okay, that's a nice question because we have a very broad portfolio and multiple business verticals. When we talk about the application sectors and various domains, starting with, let me put it this way, from oil and gas all the way to aerospace, we have solutions catering to all these domains.
Okay.
And if in particular, if you're asking in India, we do have solutions for the entire automotive industry. We have solutions for pharmaceutical, advanced materials research and life science research. We also provide support to oil and gas, aerospace, even space research, strategic sectors, defense. So you name any sectors, we have solutions for it.
Got it, sir. And how is Zeiss Semiconductor contributing to the advancements in the semiconductor manufacturing?
All right. So Zeiss has partnered with leading, micro integrated circuit manufacturers, microchips. So we were into advanced lithography solution, the lithography optics for miniaturization of chips. And we go by the Moore's law, and the density of the components in the chips and the size reduction, it keeps going down year by year. And we push the limits for the smallest features that can be fabricated in ICs. And it also, we also need to ensure that it is powerful, energy efficient, and it's giving the best yield for the customer as well. So we have partnered, I would say, from early 1980s. We are the leading lithography optics manufacturer for semicon industry. Of late, for both front end of the line and back end of the line, we also started giving solutions for quality inspections and all the other requirements, the stringent requirements for the semicon industry.
Okay, sir. And what are the key innovations currently that you are working on?
So, the entire industry is getting driven by machine learning algorithm, artificial intelligence, and the speed at which you are able to generate accurate and reliable data is the important factor, especially in semicon industry. So we have taken digital transformation as one of our core focus area, and we have been very active there because we wanted to bring down the possibilities of human errors. Either it could be with respect to manufacturing or it could be with respect to quality inspection. We are ensuring that we are bringing the complete digital transformation, which is reliable, and it's more productive, and customers reap the benefits of the yield as well.
Okay, so got it. And what are the biggest challenges that you face in semiconductor lithography, and how do you cater to it? How do you?
I wouldn't say it is kind of a challenge. Given the context in India Semicon Mission, I think the awareness of the ecosystem or the establishment of the ecosystem is something what people should start looking into, because I would say semicon is an industry which is more demanding. Every minute is a money there. So the supply chain, the proper infrastructure, and the relevant ecosystem for starting with subsystems to the actual manufacturing system to the process, I think that's where the real awareness needs to be created. There are lots of technologies and advancements that has happened across the globe. It's just bringing in the knowledge back to India. I think it's already happening. We have good volume of talent, a pool of talent in India, and the semicon focus and the future of semicon has turned towards India. We have been fortunate. I think we should leverage all this and try and see how quickly they can collaborate with companies like Zeiss, and there are more other companies who have been in this field for 3 or 4 decades. I think how quickly they collaborate, how quickly they have the knowledge transfer is what they should start looking into. I would say the challenge is that we are not going to start from the scratch.
Yeah.
We are like knowledge house, and we are aware of people who are already there and the technology that is already available. So I think that's exactly where people should open up. Once a proper dialogue is being established, I think we don't foresee major challenges.
Got it, sir. And do you also provide after-sale service to the customers?
Of course, yes, definitely. That's very, very crucial, especially for the semiconductor industry.
It is,
I mean, Carl Zeiss, though our location or our parent location is in Germany. In India, we are a sales and service company, but we have ensured that both for after-sales service as well as for application support, we have a strong team. Even for research level of application, I mean, that's something where time is not a major constraint. Even there, we ensure that within 24 to 48 hours is our response time to fix any issues and ensure that all these technologies are effectively used. And moving towards industry and focusing towards semicon, we have a major responsibility and we have a major commitment that all these technologies that is deployed in the world of semicons are running 24/7, because that's the pace at which these industries work, which we had experience with major semicon giants across the globe, and we wanted to ensure that we have a similar structured teams providing after sales service and after sales application support as well.
Got it, sir. And do you also do partnerships or collaborations with companies?
We do, and it depends upon the level of collaborations and the level of participations. Especially the assemblies of electronics has kick-started in a big way. I think you would have heard of Tata Electronics, Foxconn coming in, Micron coming in. It's really fortunate that Carl Zeiss global locations already had certain level of interactions and business collaboration with them. We are leveraging the past established these sort of collaborations, and we are trying to replicate in India, and we feel that we have edge over these sort of constraints, that we don't need to establish these dialogues from the scratch. We just need to connect and establish the network and create a similar network back in India.
Okay. And so the last question, that how do you think is semicon helping you to achieve your goals?
I mean, semicon is helping every one of us. Yeah. I mean, automation, electronics, semicon, these are all stuffs that it cannot be avoided. It's part of our life now. So when we are looking at businesses, though it's quite demanding, I would also say it is quite rewarding, not from the commercial perspective, but from the societal requirements, the comfort level of the way of life, the artificial intelligence and the connects that we have. I mean, that's something it's revolutionizing the human life as such. And this used to happen in a large spans, but of late we are seeing that it's happening. The span of revolutions in these sort of new technologies that is getting adapted in the market is kind of becoming very short. So both from the upliftment of the way of life for humans in the society to, yes, of course, the businesses as well, we foresee that it is a great initiative starting with Government of India, with all the subsidies and the support systems that has been announced. It's a great move, and it's going to definitely have a large positive impact on the GDP of our country as well.
It will, yes.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, sir. Thank you.